My name is Mikell Senger. I'm Senior Project Manager at SNA Displays, and I was the lead PM at Lucas Oil Stadium. So when we were awarded the project, it was no mystery that this was a really tight timeline, and CIB and the Colts were happy to work with us to make sure that we had everything we needed. We had 9 weeks to demolish all of the existing LED boards and static signage and install 19,500 square feet of new LED. It took a lot of early on coordination. We came first thing in January to survey all of the structure, the existing displays, the control rooms, the locker rooms, everything that we were responsible for. We had to survey attachment points, existing conditions to come up with a schedule that would work on the demolition side and then on the install side. So the demolition process, we had the Colts schedule. There were some events going on through May. So what we started to do is we started to demo everything that wasn't in action. So equipment that was not being used, we would take out of the racks and just get everything out of the way that wasn't in the stadium. And we actually started taking down the old signs, starting with the main displays and then working our way around to the ribbons. So all the existing LED we took down, packaged nicely, sent it to our local scrapyard that we've worked with before to be recycled. A lot of electronics components which are being recycled through a local indie company. Of course, we wanted to be kind to the facility. We wanted to make the least impact possible from a electrical standpoint, a fiber standpoint, structural standpoint, minimize the facility impact. So that meant reusing structure wherever possible, reusing circuitry wherever possible. Upon demolition, I mean, we noticed a lot of differing existing conditions that we had to adapt to. We built in some adjustability within our frames so that we could match the existing conditions. We had anticipated things would be a little bit different underneath because we couldn't demolish the existing signs while the stadium was in use. Some of the bigger challenges on the main displays were access to that top level. As you can see, there's a lot of steel infrastructure in the way of where a crane would go. There's also HVAC ducts directly where we needed our crane to go. So it took some creative thinking, maneuvering, using hoists and some other techniques to get around the existing infrastructure and actually use it to our benefit to help us install the sign.